Hi, this is Anna Wells with IEN's Finishing World reporting from Surfin 2016. Today we have Kyle Hankison here with KCH Engineered Systems, and we want to talk a little bit about what you guys are up to. So tell us a little bit, first of all, about your company.
KCH has been around since 1979. We're a small business manufacturer in North Carolina. We've started off, our roots were in air pollution control systems for the surface finishing industry, and then moved into designing complete metal processing, surface processing lines. And so we've got a good small team, various manufacturing capabilities, and powder coating, and CNC water jet cutting, and others, and in-house design, AutoCAD, and provide a variety of things to companies and markets within the surface finishing industry. So.
Because you have such a diverse customer base in terms of industry, is there any specific critical issues that you feel like are really impacting a lot of your customers that influence the way you design your products? More
so now than ever, really. It's regulatory environment in the United States and North America even is becoming more and more tight and controls on processes. Rightly so in some ways, to provide further protections to the workers, to the communities that live downstream of some of the facilities and processes that we service. And so we always try to kind of keep on that leading edge of building in safeties and equipment into our systems. For example, this system behind us here incorporates covers, which is not very traditionally used in metal finishing, surface finishing operations. They typically have open tanks, and we integrate mechanical automated covers to help basically contain emissions and prevent fugitive emissions from escaping the tank. So that's one effort that we've really been pushing on the regulatory side, and we feel that at some point it may become the standard in the future, is having covered tanks in a lot of processes, kind of like putting a lid on your coffee cup. It helps prevent the heat loss and things of that nature, and keeps things contained better. So is there anything else that you want to mention that you think is really interesting or unique that KCH is doing right now? Really, again, for us, I think the biggest trend that we'd like to see this industry move forward in is implementing covered processes and systems that are built not only for the exposure, but the energy conservation, energy savings benefit that processors and finishers will see by implementing covers on tanks. You reduce the overall amount of air volume you have to move through the facility. So if it's somewhere that's in the extreme north, Madison, that's not too extreme, but it's close, or south, where you have to have tempered, air-conditioned, very expensive makeup air coming into your facility. By covering these processes, you reduce the overall volume of air you have to move through the facility, and at the end of the day, when you're talking, a lot of natural gas to heat, or a lot of just electricity dollars to cool, that money adds up real quick, and often this equipment can pay for itself in less than a year, and then thousands of dollars of savings every year after that. So that's what we really think we can try to push and convince people to move forward and move into that area.
Well, thank you so much, Kyle. It was great chatting with you today. This is Anna Wells reporting from Surfin 2016.